Imagine hearing, imagine trying to hear a whisper in a crowded room. That's essentially what we're dealing with when measuring plant biopotentials. These signals are incredibly faint. So in this video, we're going to explore the electronic radiates we use in our new invention and also about plant biopotentials today in this video of this series on the plant biopotential monitoring system. So let's get into it. Okay, a quick talk. And all of you who are Orthodox, Christians, or Catholic, um, welcome to the welcome to the Holy Week. And today is Thursday, so the Holy Week Thursday. And the other thing for all of you, I just have a little announcement. Um, I know it has been a very long time, and my videos are not going to be seen that well, but like people who are like you and want to be learning more about electronics, so be sure to like. It does not take away any energy. It's like zero calories burning. So and also just subscribe, it helps out the channel, and also it helps you out because you get more new information every time I have a video. So be sure to like and subscribe, and also share it to people who want it. So let's get into it. Okay. Okay. um in this mess of me talking, you're asking what's happening, or what are we talking about when you're saying plant monitoring systems. Plant biomonitoring systems are systems that are, it's not a system, but actually the plants, they are talking. That's why, as you saw seen in the thumbnail, it says listening to plants. We listen to plants every time when we have this plant monitoring system invention that I made. So plant biopotentials are electrical charges being that are given out by a plant during a specific condition. That could be like when the plant is cut, or when it's dehydrated, or when it is having some kind of pesticide injuring it. So that's what it means to have plant biomonitoring. What's plant biomonitoring? Plant biomonitoring. So that monitoring, we could put it to electronics, which was the first topic on here, the amplifier and the low pass filter. So these are like the hearing aids. The low pass filter filters out the crowd sound, and these amplifiers, like a hearing aid for people who don't hear that well, it makes the sound higher. That's it. But it is mainly on electrical charges, not actual sound. So today we're going to talk. It's a very, very short video. So let's talk about the main topics here. So we're going to have three main parts of this today, which is a circuit part. So first, let's get into the Arduino. The Arduino part is completely straightforward.
2,000 years later.
But first, let me tell you about the main things that we need to have. For today's project, you will need about two jumper wires, one male to male, one male to female, and three resistors that are 10 kilo ohms, and there are 10 uh, 15 kilo ohms, 15 kilo ohm resistors, and 10 microfarad capacitors. So you're going to need 3 resistors and 1 capacitor of those charges. There's going to be a table here, and then another Arduino, and that's it. That's all what we need, and also a breadboard. And we're going to have future series about the casing, making the whole thing housing. The next video is going to be about that. So let's look at this video. Look how to do it. So the Arduino is straightforward, but we need to make it on the future part. So, but we spare out 2 male-to-male jumper wires for it, and we're going to have another thing I forgot: the amplifier. So we're going to have let's name it here. I think it's UA7 blah blah blah. So that is going to be the amplifier. So we're going to have I'm going to have the circuit. So we're going to have an amplifier circuit. 3 parts are the amplifier circuit. Let me show you the actual circuit. It's already done. And this is the amplifier circuit. This is the amplifier chip. As you can see here, this chip. There's 2 resistors here, the blue ones, if you could see them, and the Arduino part. This is the control part, and there's 1 capacitor and 1 resistor here as a low-pass filter system. So we have still 2 non-connected ones. One is for the power for the amplifier, and one is for the electrodes. We're going to come in the future series. So the circuitry, I'm going to pin it down below. Okay, that's it. I'm going to pin it down below, and also I'm going to put it in the comment if you don't get it. But I'm sure it doesn't work because I need to have some channel history, so be sure to copy it and paste it into your browser address tab place. And it's raining kind of, so let's get a little into it. The low pass filter and the amplifier, this is the main topic of this video. Let me tell you, an amplifier is a little chip or some circuit that makes the voltage that's coming through from one side become more higher when it comes to the other side. It's like when you have a hearing aid or a speaker. When you have a mic, you just talk, not that shouting, but there's an amplifier in the speaker that makes the sound more higher so you can hear it. So this is the main purpose of the amplifier. And the other use of the other thing, which is the low pass filter, and its uses, it cleans out the other nasty stuff which I told you. It's the crowded stuff in the room, or it's like there is lots of radio frequencies, electrical interruptions that might have actual circuitry problem from here, and also from the everything here. So electromagnetic things might interfere, so you just get rid of it and get the raw stuff that you get from the plant. That's the 2 things. And Arduino's it's not that much. It just reads the voltage and then just gives you the voltage. It just gives you on a what's called the Arduino serial monitoring system that we're going to check out in the next video. I'm going to have the code on the next video too. So that's the main purpose of these 3 things. So be sure to continue until the next part, and I have a little surprise for this in the next one. We're going to be making the actual housing of the thing, so be sure to be subscribed because it's very useful. And this invention, it's going to help you if you have a garden, or if you have any agricultural people or your relatives that have an agricultural field. Be sure to watch this video. And also, if you don't have any people who have that, still electrical knowledge that you're going to get. So be sure to subscribe, share it, and also like, so many people can reach it. And thank you everybody. Now I have reached about 27 at the time of recording, so be sure to be continuing until the end. Let's go.
Nice.